Welcome to Youth Vikas channel. Today we are going to discuss about women's safety concept. Women's safety is responsibility of not only police. Women's safety is responsibility of a common man, an employee, a government employee, a corporate employee, our neighborhood, our relatives, each and everyone. The women's safety is responsibility of each and every citizen of India. At the same time, the women has to take few precautions, the most important precautions. So let me explain what are the most important precautions we can take. The first one, working, especially the crime rate is increasing on college students or the working women. So when you go to any school, when you go to any shopping mall, when you are about to attend any function hall, make sure that you will go along with some friend or close relative or whom you can trust. So from your location to, if you want to go to another location regarding any purpose, make sure that you will inform to someone else, like your relative or someone else. Also, because if you don't reach in time to that location, they may inquire about you, they may call you back. In case if there is no response from you, they may reach to police. In case if there is suspicious reasons are there, they can reach the police. First thing. Second thing, if you want to go to any location, make sure that you will inform at least 3 to 4 friends location, the address of that location, and whom you are about to reach, their phone numbers, and what is the purpose of that meeting. Just 2 to 3 details if you inform to them, and if you are not returning to the actual location in time, so your well-wishers will call to the police and they can inquire about you, because we cannot take advantage by postponing to search for you tomorrow or after a few days, because safety is the most important thing here, and we cannot believe everyone nowadays, and situations are very critical nowadays. So that we are supposed to inform wherever we are going, and also always go along with your friend. Third thing, for safety parameters, always have in your handbag some pepper spray or any small kind of knife also you can have it. So for self-protection, self-defensive purpose, self-protection purpose, if someone is attacking you to rape you, even you can kill that person, it's not an offense. If the situations are very critical, even you can attack that person with the deadly weapons. Even if you kill that person also, it is not an offense. And always carry pepper spray, so that if someone try to attack you, you can use that to protect yourself. Fourth thing, suppose if you are alone, if someone is about to attack you, and you make sure that you will scream like anything, shout loudly, so it will grab the attention of neighborhood. They will come and they will help you. That is the most important thing. The fifth most important point is, always nowadays everyone having the smartphones, so install the apps which are suggested by the respective governments, police apps. So those apps will be having SOS options. If you think you are in a trouble, if you think you are in a problem, just click on that SOS application, and that will connect to the police control room. They will search for you, means it will enable the police to reach you very soon, very quickly. They will trace you very quickly, and they will catch the police, and you can get protection from the police, and at the same time they can catch the criminals. So please follow these safety tips. Always go with your friends, inform about locations, have always pepper spray or some self protection tools, okay, where you can fight with the criminals. And also scream loudly if you are alone, if someone is about to attack you, and also install the apps and inform to the police by using SOS application. And the emergency helpline is 100. So always remember the emergency helplines, that will protect you a lot. If you are not aware about which number you are supposed to call, just call 100. They will trace you very soon by using cell phone network, and they can give you protection. So women's safety is each and everyone's responsibility. Please do subscribe to this channel. Let us save women. Thanks.